Transform your life with Mindfulness Mastery. Welcome to our journey into the art of mindfulness, where we'll explore how to cultivate a peaceful and present state of mind in our daily lives. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully aware in the present moment without judgment. It allows us to connect deeply with our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Imagine starting your day with a moment of stillness, tuning into your breath, and letting go of any stress or anxiety that may be lingering. By embracing mindfulness, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. This brings clarity, balance, and a sense of calm. Incorporating mindfulness into everyday activities, like eating or walking, can transform routine moments into opportunities for presence and gratitude. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool. Even just a few minutes a day can help train the mind to stay focused and resilient in the face of challenges. Being mindful also enhances our relationships. By truly listening and being present with others, we foster deeper connections and more meaningful interactions. Mindfulness isn't about achieving perfection. It's about accepting each moment as it is and finding peace within the ebb and flow of life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of mindfulness. May you find serenity and joy in the present moment wherever you are.